21st, 2011. Today, starting at 3 p.m., the prediction is a blizzard for 24 hours. They're predicting up to 2 feet of snow. Unbelievable. It seems unbelievable right now. I guess he's going to try to keep up with this stuff. I don't know where you're going to go. We don't need to go anywhere. We have all the food. We're both retired. But one never knows. A friend of ours is in the hospital. So my husband is going to go over to his house and clean his driveway so his wife could go visit him. They live 2 minutes away anyway. And I'm standing here right outside the garage. I feel a lot better after my concussion. I do feel better today. That was a week ago Sunday when I fell. This is a Kawasaki backpack leaf blower that Al is using. Pretty powerful motor on it. Blows out 200 miles per hour out of that tube. That's pretty powerful. I don't know how it's going to do in the blizzard. I don't think it'll be able to blow 2 feet of snow out of the way. We will use our snowblower for that.